Yep.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
That's cute.
It's exactly like hers, except she got the boy kind. Me too. This was like the one I really wanted. Also. Just like home, I always want toys like this.
Hot dog.
Do we have a hot dog thing? Let's just do the chicken one.
Sure, this is better.
Yeah, I know. It's no different. Good. I'll just put on coffee. Yeah, or we could do Cookie Monster. No, maybe we should do Minion.